Hey guys, in this video we're gonna make omelette with sour herring. Make sure you have great quality eggs, and I'm gonna sprinkle some salt and squeeze a little bit of lime juice on the eggs. And something that you want to do, you want to make sure that you take off the scale on the sour herring and you soak it for 15 minutes or so. And then what I'm going to do next is add some oil to the pot. This way it makes it a lot easier to avoid bones, like those bones. So it's gonna be crispy. I'm gonna fry in the meantime I'm taking off the scale. Alright guys, now I removed the scale and I cut them, and I'm gonna put them in the oil. Until they become crispy. You don't want them to burn, but you want them to be crispy, and then I'll just put it in here and smash it. I just love sour herring. I love the flavor, the aroma. So it'll take about 3-4 minutes for it to become crispy at the medium heat. And I'm gonna take them out, put them on the Alright, and this one is some very spicy pepper, hot pepper, and you can see this, and I'm going to smash it. You can see the little bones. My baby girl just helped me with the eggs. So now I'm going to add the vegetables. I have red onions, green onions. I'm just gonna red onions, green bell pepper. Okay, and then so now after I smash it, now it becomes like this, and you can put it in here. Right. You can pick up the sour herring and put it in here. And put it.
So we're gonna have some butter.
Now we're gonna add butter.
I can't let it burn.
You have to be careful not to let it burn.
You don't want.
And now you're going to
put the eggs in there. You don't want it to burn, but I like it like eggs. But
it smells so good.
Cheesy butter.
This one is ready. I don't like it to be too dry, so this is perfect. It smells so good. Let me taste. And make sure you salt the eggs lightly, because sour herring is very salty. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
I want to taste it. I want to taste it.
Come taste, honey. You like it? It's good. I love to eat it on some bagel because it gives me the same biscuit kind of texture. This is it, guys. I'm going to enjoy this. Actually, this one was my daughter's creation. So she used this cookie here and put some eggs on it. And this is really good. At first I was like, no way. But, oh my gosh, this is really, really good. Sometimes you have to listen to kids.